Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn money online with this website called nairaworkers.com. Guys, this website can pay you 17,500 naira per week, okay, for just completing tasks, guys. So let's go through the website. You can see here, Naira Worker is a freelancing outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria, guys. So if you're in Nigeria and you are not making money with your phone, just watch this video tutorial till the end and you will be able to make a whopping sum of 17,500 naira per week, guys. So for you to make money with this website, first of all, you need to have an account registered with them. So you need to create an account, okay, guys? But I already have an account with them. So I will just quickly log into my account and show you how you can earn money with this particular website, guys. So I'm going to click on this place. Let me click on it and click login. Okay, so I have to log in to my account. It's loading, guys. So just to wait. Okay, guys, so this is my dashboard on this website, guys. This is my dashboard. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can earn money daily with this particular website. So first of all, what you need to do after registering an account with them, you need to click on this three dash button at the top right corner here. You click on it. Okay, then you are going to see available jobs, profile, wallet, and account. But what you need to click on is this available jobs, this one right here, available jobs. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, it's loading. Let's wait for it to load, guys. Okay, so it will take you to this interface. Okay, so here you can see right here, guys, available jobs. Okay, available jobs. Always check back for more jobs, and in this place you will see most recent and highest paying. Okay, so what it simply means is that on this most recent is the jobs that are available for you to do and requires low payment. Okay, but if you click on this highest payment jobs right here, let's click on it. If you click on it, let it load up, guys. Okay, so it has loaded up. Okay, so you are going to be earning higher, okay, more than the most recent jobs. Okay, so if you click on this highest paying jobs, it's going to filter all the jobs that are available for you with high paying rates. Okay, so for this particular jobs, what is needed here? It's so simple, guys. Very simple. Rookie app, sign up, then complete KYC. Okay, and this person is ready to pay you 500 naira per job. Okay, per task. Earn 500 naira per task, guys. And this second one right here, this free exchange FMC pay worth 5 USDT, guys. This guy is ready to pay you 450 naira. Okay, for this particular job. So just simple, guys. Okay, and you can see many more. Right? So this particular one right here, guys, palm pay, easy task, fast payment plus instant bonus. Okay, guys, this particular job right here, okay, this person is ready to pay you 400 naira, guys. 400 naira, okay, for this job. So if a day you are able to be completing up to 50, let me say 30 tasks, okay, that would be better. Okay, so just look at the high paying rates. Okay, guys, so let me show you the other ones, like the most recent. Okay, guys, let me click on it. This one right here, most recent, guys. So let me click on it. Okay, it's loading up, guys. Okay, right here. Okay, so guys, these ones are very much simple, guys. Very much simple. What this guy needs you to do is just for you to follow his or her Snapchat account, and he's ready to pay you 74 naira for this job. Okay, so what is expected for you? So for you to know more about the job that this person is giving you to do, just click on view job. Click on this place, this view job. Click on it. Let it load up. Okay, so you can see snapshots follow right here. Okay guys, so what is expected from workers? Follow the account on Snapchat and enjoy relatable content. It's just for you to follow, okay? And for you to follow it is for you to click on this link and it will take you to snapshots. Then you click on follow, okay? So after following, then what next you will do is required proof that task was finished. So what actually is going to guarantee that you really completed it as a proof? Then your username and screenshot one of my post or my profile. Okay, so it's for you to screenshot one of his or her post or his or her profile. Okay, then with your username on Snapchat, then you can see here proof. This is where you are going to submit it, the file. Okay, click on this choose file, then it's going to take you to your gallery. Then you upload the screenshot, guys, of the work that you have done. So as simple as that, guys. That's just how you can make money with this website. So you can see many other jobs right here. Snapchat, Crackerboard, 74 naira, many other ones. There are so plenty, guys. So let's do some calculation, guys. If a day you are able to be completing task and per task that you completed they are paying you 15 naira, let's put it that way. Okay, let me go to my calculator. Let's do this calculation together, guys. Let's say 15 naira times a day you are able to complete 50 tasks. Let's say a day you are able to complete 50 tasks, and each task they are ready to pay you 15 naira. Okay, let's put it that amount, so times 50, then that means that day you have earned is due of 2,500 naira. And if you multiply it by 7 times, which is 7 days, okay, if you can earn this amount for 7 days times 7, then guys, just see it right here. See it, guys, 17,500. You can see, as easy as that, guys, for a week. Okay, so you can put it as a side hustle to whatever you are doing. Okay, so at your free time, your free comfortable zone, anywhere you are, you can just come to this website and be earning free money. Okay guys, so let me show you how you can also add your bank details. Okay, so if anytime you want to make a withdrawal, just come to this place, click on profile, click on profile. Okay, for you to add your bank account details. Okay, click on profile. Let me click on my profile. Let it load up, guys. So right here you can see this is my profile, guys. This is my profile. Okay, this is my profile right here. You can see this is my profile right here, guys. So, and also you can see your referral link right here. This is my referral link. Okay, so if I want to refer anyone, I could just simply come here, then copy my referral link. Okay, I can copy it, as simple as that, guys. So let me show you how you can add your bank account details. Okay, so click on this update profile. Click on update profile, guys, this one right here. So let me click on update profile, then it will take me to this interface where I have to input my details. Okay guys, where I have to input my details. Okay, so this is a place for me to enter my bank name, my account number, then account name. Guys, this is it right here, as you can see on your screen. Okay guys, so after implementing all this, then what you need to do, you need to click on update profile. Okay, update profile, guys. So that's just it, guys. So, and if you want to withdraw, come to this place, these 3 dots, click on it, this one right here. You need to click on this one, then it will show, it will pop up this interface. Okay guys, after that you need to click on wallet. Okay, click on wallet, okay guys. And one good thing about this platform, you can also post work for other people to do for you. Like if you have a YouTube channel that you are growing and you need subscribers, okay guys, you can deposit funds into this platform, then ask people to complete those works for you, those jobs. Okay, so it's just for you to subscribe to a YouTube channel, then you pay them 10 naira or 30 naira or 15 naira, okay, per task. So that's just it, guys. So at this place you are going to see your balance right here. You are going to see your balance. This is the balance, okay, work funds, task ends, and other pending and total funds. Okay guys, so if I want to withdraw, what I simply need to do on this interface is just for me to click on this withdraw earnings right here, guys. Click on this withdraw earnings. Okay, let me click on it. Okay guys, so as you can see here, withdraw earnings. You can withdraw your earnings when you earn over 1,999 naira. Okay, that is that is 2,000 naira, guys. So the minimum payout is 2,000 naira. As far you can earn 2,000 naira a day, okay guys, you can withdraw it. Okay, withdrawals are processed every Friday. They are going to pay you every Friday. Okay, every Friday. And before Friday you would have accumulated that 17,500. In fact, if you are serious about this, guys, you can do it. Okay, so request withdrawal, and withdrawal fee is 30 naira. Very cheap. Okay guys, just 30 naira. That's what they are going to deduct out of your 2,000 naira. Okay, so as simple as that, guys. You can also post job. You can see at this place if you want to post job. Okay, on my other video I'm going to show you guys how you can post jobs on Naira Workers. Okay guys, I'm going to show you on my next video, guys. So let me click on account. This place that you see account right here, let me click on it. Okay, so you can see my jobs. This place, my jobs, that's the particular amount of jobs that I've completed. Okay, and this one right here that says task completed, you can see it, tasks that I've already completed. That's what will be recorded on this place, guys. So here my referrals, I can also see my referrals on this place too. If I click on it, I will see my total referrals that I've referred. Okay, so that's just it, guys.